Here we are. I'm gonna start us off with a little poem I wrote, inspired by that song. If you like penal colliding and collecting the rain, or something like that. If you like drinking beer and scratching your butt. If you're a hoot at the hoedown and a bit of a mutt. Going hanky at the crack of dawn and you drive a big truck. Honk, honk. Honk, honk. Oh yeah. Have you met Big Tractor? Darling, you're in luck. Alrighty, I'm gonna start us off with a new song. I like to call it Tractor Town.
Yeehaw!
Yeehaw! Honky dookie! Come on down to Tractor Town. I'm Big Tractor, I can show you around.
Thank you, Big Tractor. Thank you.
Anytime. Anytime, dog. Honk, honk. All aboard Tractor Town! One-way ticket! Now's your chance, darling. You sure don't want to miss it. Choo-choo! Come on down to Tractor Town. I'm Big Tractor, I can show you around. Bit run down with some odd features. Just wait till you meet the creatures. We got bees and trees and ducks. My chicken coop don't give no clucks. You like composting barns to muck? Tractor Town, step right up. Choo-choo! Do you like goats too? I could teach you about the birds and bees and goats and trees and bikes you never knew. Anyone can go to a county fair with a dream and a couple of bucks. You can own a goat for a while, but they need care and they need trust. Goats need a home, space to roam. Some goat friends, they don't like being alone. They'll patience test when it's time to rest. Safe in the barn before the sun sets. Crack of dawn, it's time to milk. So pull your bucket off the shelf with those goat teats. You have a date, can't make her way, you can't skip a day. Through her baa, she will say blackberry leaves, alfalfa hay. Listen close, there she wrote what it means to love a goat. Come on down to Tractor Town. I'm Big Tractor, I can show you around. Bit run down with some odd features. Just wait till you meet the creatures. We got bees and trees and ducks. My chicken coop don't give no clucks. You like composting barns to muck? Tractor Town, step right up. We got any chicken heads in the audience? Can I hear a little bit of a ba? Moo. yeah. Let's keep that going through this song. This is a little funky ditty I like to call Down to Farm. DTF Down to Farm. You know what's up. I found love on lonelyfarmers.com. My man smokes out of cans, he can square dance. He makes his own pipe bombs, DTF, I'm down to farm. Says it smells part of his charm. I found love on lonelyfarmers.com. I'm looking for a cowboy, boy toy, stanky and unemployed. Breakfast of moonshine and mead, bonus points if he knows how to read. Master, big green tractor, let's cause a natural disaster. Amish soak with the jumping knee. When he smiles, he's got most of his teeth. I don't care if he has fleas, if she smells weird, they're missing teeth. Long as you're real nice to me. I don't care if he has fleas, if she smells weird, they're missing teeth. Long as we're real nice to trees. lonelyfarmers.com. Well, I tried to meet organically. By this I mean no pesticides, but the one I need's out harvesting, not hanging out at the local dives. I'll never be a bear of honey on your arm. You say you're DTF, but are you down to farm? Fruit trees and chivalry, meet my mom in dungarees. I see in him what they don't see. I don't care that he has fleas. Scarecrow, 6 toes, sweet iced tea and chewing tobacco. For my love I'd take a bullet, won't hurt a hair on his pretty little mullet. lonelyfarmers.com. I don't care if he has fleas, if she smells weird, they're missing teeth. Long as you're real nice to me. I don't care if he has fleas, if she smells weird, they're missing teeth. Long as we're real nice to trees. lonelyfarmers.com. My man smokes out of cans, he can square dance, makes his own pipe bombs. DTF, I'm down to farm. Says it smells part of his charm. I found love on lonelyfarmers.com. Quack, quack. gonna get a little serious with this next one. This one's about society. How do we feel about society? Oh!
Ooh, the man.
Oh, the man! Ah! Get angry! Ah! Ah! This song is called Our Taxes Go to War Crimes and Studies on Erectile Dysfunction. Woo! You'll hear it. Don't worry. Our taxes go to billionaires, golf trips, and studies on erectile dysfunction. Erectile dysfunction. Our taxes go to war crimes, genocide, and studies on erectile dysfunction. Erectile dysfunction. Sometimes the shower comes from a hose. The sidewalks where we find our clothes. Wash our hair with olive oil. Eating veg with extra soil. Our food, it comes straight from the dirt. Medicine comes from the earth. I'm strong as my immunity. It's thanks to my community. Stone by stone, the workers and the people getting locked out of their home. Who built that wall, brick by brick, stone by stone? They're biting the hand that feeds us and locking them out of their home. And now they're trying to sell us robot dogs and robot girlfriends. They'll explode after a week, won't give you the love you seek. I won't buy a robot dog, a robot girlfriend. Exploding after a week, won't give you the love you seek. Our taxes go to billionaires, golf trips, and studies on erectile dysfunction. Erectile dysfunction. Our taxes go to war crimes and genocide and studies on erectile dysfunction. Erectile dysfunction. Foxtails. I don't want a world of bindweed. I want to see those native flowers bloom. Milkweed and sticky monkey. We don't need Europe's bloom. Stepping on invasive species. It's California, a lonely land. I want to see some coastal oak trees. Woo! Coastal oak trees. That song just, it makes me angry to think about what's going on in the world, you know? And for this next song, let's keep that going. Let's just feel angry. This is also a really good one to do-si-do to. I call it fart smeller.
Yeah.
You a smart fellow or a fart smeller? What do you think? You gotta choose.
I'll let you know after you hear the song. There's some fart smells in the house.
We got any fart smellers in the house tonight? Face full of stank, and I don't mean it in a good way. Well, this here fella's always tooting on my hootin', pooping on my party, picking on my fruit, and there's the door, get your boots, and start scooting. If you give that boy a cookie, he'll ask for a glass of milk. And if you give that man some hooky, he'll leave nothing but the smell of gym socks and jock straps and chemical cologne. Whoever smelled it dealt it, at least that's how the saying goes. I bet you think you're a real smart fella, acting like a real fart smeller. Boy, oh boy, do I have something to tell ya. If you think your shit don't stink, well, I got some news for you, buckaroo. Your shit stinks and mine does too. Well, heard you're calling my tractor small. Like you know my tractor at all. You take your tractor to the bathroom stall. Well, I drive my tractor through City Hall. My tractor's strong, knew it all along. My tractor helps me right my wrongs. My tractor's big, my tractor's fast. My tractor can kick your tractor's grass. I bet you think you're a real smart fella, acting like a real fart smeller. Boy, oh boy, do I have something to tell ya. If you think your shit don't stink, well, I got news for you, buckaroo. Your shit stinks and mine does too. Okay, I have another one about chickens. Who would have guessed it? Let's bring that. Oh yeah. I used to live like really close to here actually. I used to live in Boulder Creek on a little commune. Boulder Creek! And we had chickens there, and like 2 hours a day I would go out from work of actually being a farmer. I'm not no poser farmer. And I would put little dried mealworms on a xylophone in the chicken coop, and they would peck at it and play the xylophone.
That's awesome.
It was pretty cool. They never really learned notes because they were chickens, but they liked it. They had fun. Boulder Creek, woo! Santa Cruz, what's up? This one is it's a parody song. And it's called I Can Tell That We Are Gonna Be Hens. This was a special request. Roosters here, hear the yell. Chicken coop don't mind the smell. If a lizard was a bird, eat some worms, make a turd. I can tell that we are gonna be hens. I can tell that we are gonna be hens. Fly with me, bumblebee. Perch upon a low-hanging tree. We will rest upon a branch and cluck like we got ants in our pants. Don't wanna be a duck, so I shake my butt and do the chicken dance. Don't wanna be a duck, so I shake my butt and do the chicken dance. Eating, sleeping, dreaming, poop. Not quite a quail, don't call me duck. Touching beak to beak behind the coop. Farmer thinks I sound funny. She likes the way you cluck. Tonight I'll dream in my hay bed. Not many thoughts in my nut-sized head. Produce scraps and stale bread. When I wake tomorrow, I'll bet we'll cock-a-doodle-doo together again. Holy shit. I can tell that we are gonna be hens. Yeah! I can tell we're gonna be hens. Yeah! Yeah! Make some noise for this person! Yeah! Hell yeah! Hell yeah! Alright, this next one's my last song. Aww.
Oh, what the fuck?
But we gotta get real low for this one. Let's get real low. This is a song. I want to transport you to a hot summer's day. You know, you feel the sun against your skin. And oh! Who did that? Okay, fess up. Just kidding. No one's to blame. We're all just people trying our best. Hot summer's day, you feel the sun against your skin. You just want to drink some ice water and dip your gonads in a beautiful cold body of water.
Yeah!
Yeah! This is a song I like to call Balls in the River. Won't put my nuts in the sink, but them things sure need a drink. They'd love a swim, I think. Wanna dip my balls. I hear the call of the river. I give it all to the river. In love I fall with the river when I'm dipping my balls. Just my balls. Balls in the river. Ain't got my feet in the river. Ain't got my knees in the river. Ain't got my meat in the river. Just dipping my balls. Ain't got my toes in the river. Ain't got my nose in the river. Ain't got no clothes in the river. Just dipping my balls. Just my balls. Balls in the river. It's quite a tricky maneuver. I'm floating in a tuba. These nuts are going scuba when I'm dipping my balls. Like grapes left in the sun. These raisins one and done. These berries shriveled up when I'm dipping my balls. Balls in the river. Balls in a waterfall. Balls in a flowing lagoon. Balls in a crystal geyser. Balls in a swimming pool. Testes in the ocean. Scrotum in the stream. My berries in a pond. My gonads feeling clean.
Yeah!
It's not over yet. Stop clapping. It's not over yet. Tell 'em. Yeah!
Ah, go crazy!
Ah! Ain't got my feet in the river. Ain't got my knees in the river. Ain't got my meat in the river. Just dipping my balls. I hear the call of the river. I give it all to the river. In love I fall with the river when I'm dipping my balls, just my balls. Okay, that's it. Goodbye. Stick around for the other bands because they're awesome. Thanks for organizing this. Yeah.